Right, I've completed the painting for all the parts. Couldn't get the exact green as Mamod, but this weren't the exercise. The exercise was just to restore, not don't have to be restored to a perfect factory finish. But so you can see how everything's turned out. Come up quite nicely, considering that was a rust box, literally rust box. The boiler, I just used the exact same polishing wheel that I showed earlier on in one of the other videos, that does my sort of takes my the abrasive wheel, and then I went over exactly the same with the polishing wheel, and this is what we come up with the boiler. So now that all that remains is to start offering it up to see what we're gonna. So that would go in there. So basically I'm going to rebuild it now. I don't think you need to watch me put it all back together. We've gone through the restoration process, and even the pipes, I just used a bit of wire wool just to clean them up. Comrod was about the best we could get because it was quite pitted, so it was quite bad. Crank come up pretty good. Cylinder polished on the wheel again. So now I'm going to put it back together, and we'll show you what it's like when it's all rebuilt, and then we'll see if we can steam it.